Today we are going to discuss about the controllers, how controller works and how can you create your controller and how can you create your methods. Now if you run your setup, which we have downloaded from the GitHub, so you can see it's showing you welcome to Codeigniter version 4.0 and some other stuff. Now go to your controller, open your home controller. So as you can see, you have your home controller and also it's loading the view. Don't worry about it if you are not familiar with view. Okay, if you are from Codeigniter 3 and 2, you know very well that you use the echo to load your view like this. You use your echo to load your view. You always use this one, but in Codeigniter 4 you use the return and view and this is a helper. Okay, now we will discuss this in our later lectures, but for now go to the config, open your roots file, roots.php. So as you can see, we have some things. As you can see, it's saying services, roots, and it's saying create a new instance of your roots collection classes. So this is the variable. Make sure. Okay, now leave this. Now they are saying that this is the app controller, default namespace, and also default controller. By default, this is the home controller. It's executing. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying home controller and the index method. Whenever someone access your applications, just load this one. Okay. Now, for suppose if you comment this one and I'm saying that echo, go to the page, refresh the page, so as you can see it's working fine. Now comment this bad boy. Now, you know very well that this is the home controller and you have a home controller. It comes with you when you download the Codeigniter setup and you have a home controller. If I'm saying that I have the second controller, go to the page, refresh the page, it will say that 404 not found. Why? Because you are saying that whenever someone access your applications, that means your applications Teachlr.com. Or suppose this is your application's row. You are saying whenever someone access your row or the application, go to the home controller, find this method. So now this is your home controller, and as you can see, this method is not available here. Now I'm going to create the method. I'm saying public functions and I'm saying second. Here I'm saying second is working. Now go to the page, refresh the page. Now as you can see, it's saying second is working. So in this way your roots work. So if I say, okay, we will discuss about in our later lectures, but for now I'm going to create another controller here. Now I'm saying that this is a class. Make sure this is a class. I'm saying new home. Make sure first letter is capital. Now, so as you can see, these are the new things for you, because by working on Codeigniter 3 and 2, you know very well that these lines not available. Okay, now you always use class extends to CI controller like this, CI underscore controller. You know very well if you are from the Codeigniter 3 and Codeigniter 2. But here you are extending the base controller class. So in the controller you have a base controller class. So you can see they are saying that for security be sure to declare any new methods as a protected or private. So class base controller provides a conventional place for loading components and performing functions that are needed by okay blah blah blah. So now leave it. Now I'm saying I have this controller. I'm saying use Codeigniter. This is the Codeigniter, and I'm saying controllers. So now semicolon. So as you can see, this is the controller. Now I'm saying extends base controller. Now if I write index method, and now I'm saying this is new home index method. Okay, go to the page, refresh the page. It's not working because you have created the new controller, but I have not defined the controller here, and I'm accessing the root. Now I'm saying in this time I have new controller, new home, and now I'm saying whenever someone access this bad boy, which is the new home, load the index method, because this is the index method. Now go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's saying new index method. It's working fine. Okay, so in this way you can define your controller, and if you create the method, and I'm saying second method, here I'm saying second method here. Then I go to the page, refresh the page. It's not working. Why? Because I have to add the index.php. Now I'm saying this is the home, and now I'm saying second method. So it's working fine. We will discuss that what is the index.php, what is this one, and what is this bad boy in our later lectures. Because if you are from Codeigniter 3, then definitely you familiar with this URL, because it's a Codeigniter URL. If you are not familiar with Codeigniter 3 and 2, then definitely you don't know about it. So I'm going to define these things in my next lecture. Thank you for watching.